Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial. My name is Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and it's my absolute pleasure in welcoming you here today. We're based in Photoshop today, guys, and what I want to do today is make it a little bit clearer for you in regards to how you change people's facial features within Photoshop. What I've got here is an image of a lady, and what I want to do now is I want to duplicate this whole layer just so I'd work non-destructively. Okay, so if I highlight the layer, I can press Command J on the Mac or Control J on Windows to duplicate the whole layer. Okay, so how do we now go about changing the facial features of this lady? With the layer highlighted, I'm going to go to Filter and I'm going to use our Liquify option here. So now if I open that up, fabulous. Now, as you can see, right, there are 4 categories here on the right hand side, and we have this tool, the Face Aware Liquify tool. Now basically what that means is the artificial intelligence within Photoshop is able now to recognize a face, which then allows you to manipulate the things that they recognize. So we have the eyes option here. So if I now was to open the eyes option, we have the left side here for the left eye and the right side here for obviously the right eye. Now, if you see here, what I'm going to do now, if you watch the left eye, I'm going to change the size of it like so. But obviously what you want to try and do sometimes is manipulate the eyes at the same time. So you've got this little link option here where you can link the 2 eyes. So whenever you manipulate either side, they're manipulating both eyes. So what I'm going to do now is let's bring up her eye size just a little bit there. We have the eye height. I'm going to link again because we're using the eyes. Okay, you can create some real cool looking stuff for people here. I want to try and keep as realistic as I can. We have the eye width that we can increase or decrease. I quite like it about there, let's say. Perfect. We have the eye tilt that we can use, that we can tilt eyes now, for instance, like so. So maybe give it a little bit of a tilt there, let's say. And then we have the eye distance. If you were to go to the right, as you can see, you can increase the size between, or the distance between the 2 eyes there, for instance, or decrease like so. What I may do now is bring that sort of like there, let's say. Perfect. Now we have the nose option. We've got nose height and nose width. So if I now go to the right, as you can see, I'm lifting the nose up there. And if I go to left, I'm lowering it down. So we put it about there. We have the nose width. As you can see, if I start manipulating the changes. Perfect. We have the mouth options to play with as well. We may want to give her a little smile now, for instance, or we may make her this a bit of a sad day for her. But I'm going to give her a little bit of a smile. Let's say like so. We've got the upper lip that I can increase the width of here, as you can see. I've got the lower lip, exactly the same premise, but with the lower lip. And we have the mouth width as well that we can bring in just a tad there, let's say. Cool. And we obviously have the mouth height. Increase the size of the mouth, for instance, let's say about there. Okay, and then the last category within our Face Aware Liquify options is the face shape. So we have forehead, chin height, jawline, and face width. So yet again, if you start to manipulate the forehead options, you can see her forehead now is manipulating. I have the chin height, which I can bring up a tad here or bring down. Let's say we do it about there, let's say. And now we have the jawline, obviously the same sort of premise. You can make her jawline more prominent, or you could bring her jawline in a little bit. Let's say we leave it about there, let's say. Perfect. We have the face width also as well, which we can change and manipulate. Just going to bring that in a tad there. Say about there. Perfect. Okay. Now, if I want to make my edit final, I'm going to press OK. And as you can see now, if I was to turn off that top layer, the difference is quite strong. So guys, that is the Face Aware Liquify option in Photoshop, and that is how we change people's facial features within Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, don't hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, check out our Instagram at Blue Sky Graphics UK for some of our amazing work by our students. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.